very strong signs of flooding on the left and on the right. Don't suppose the water's normally there. In fact, it can't be, because there seems to have been buildings behind which may have been flooded. When I was in Italy, I spoke about how low the water levels were, and knowing what the problems had been, for example, in the Czech Republic, in Prague. And here, it's the opposite of Italy. The water's clearly in places where it isn't normally. Just before 9. Once again, I saw a sign now that bicycles are not allowed on the roads. That's a rather bad thing. There you go. On the right now, no bicycles. Earlier it said no horses and carts as well. My belief is that the roads are for all road users. And we ought to be encouraging people to use bicycles as much as possible. Keep left? Okay, I'll keep left. Particularly if somebody wants to overtake me. Alright, so there you are. Taxi.
After 400 meters, keep left.
Budapest. Very big retail park on the right. Oh, that brings back good memories. Sitting in the back of the truck when I was in the army. On the motorway. More sign of flooding here. There's a bridge on the left which you can't see, but the water is above where the girder starts to curve.
After 300 meters, cross the roundabout, third exit.
Don't need a vignette temporarily if you're in a lorry. I think that was just a temporary blockage on that road. So, the strange thing was that the Tomtom in Italy, it knew things like, there's a 2-minute hold up. 50 kilometers from here, for example, which later proved to be the case, so I can understand why. Yet here in Hungary, it doesn't have the same ability. Didn't know there was a road where I was on earlier, and didn't know the road was blocked there. Maybe the road became blocked in the last half hour. I don't know. There's no warning at all. But I am heading in the wrong direction. I can tell that from the position of the sun. We can see that a certain extent of the land may have been prepared on the left to build a motorway here. The hardest part is, of course, the preparation of the land rather than anything else.
After 500 meters, turn right. N1, E60, E75 towards Then take the motorway.
No, it's It's wrong. It's
turn
wrong.
right, then take the motorway.
It's wrong. It's just sending me back the way I came.
Turn round when possible. Toll charge.
Unfortunately, there isn't a toll charge because it was written there that there isn't one. I didn't mean to come this far. There's normally a charge for using this road, but there isn't at present. And there was a warning, unfortunately written in Hungarian, so I can't understand it.
After 800 meters, take the exit 101 towards the then at the end of the road, turn right.
The instructions it's giving me is to go back on myself, but I'm not prepared to do that.
Take the exit, then at the end of the road, turn right.
Just realise now that I'm going that way, direction you can bring into the sun. East is off to the left of it. East is roughly from this angle where those windmill things are. Maybe this is something to do with the Danube being flooded. That could be the problem.
Take the exit 94 towards then take the exit.
It's telling me to come off the motorway. I am...
Take the exit, then take the exit 9.
might do it. See, there's a service area up ahead, and I'll go in there and try and work this one out.
Take the exit, then at the end of the road, turn right towards Vienna.
This is what the Tomtom is now telling me to do. It's to go back into Austria via Vienna and go around like that. So I think that's pretty ridiculous, to be quite honest. I'm going to see if there's another way of doing this.